Start ArcGIS Pro. Under the Create a New Project heading on the right, click Blank to create a new blank project. In the name box, type Oregon Maps. Click the Browse button for the location, and then click the C drive to open it. Navigate into your GIS class folder. Click the Class Projects folder to select it as the location. Don't go inside it. Click OK. Keep the Create a New Folder for this project box checked and click OK. Click Insert, Project, Add Folder, and click the C drive link on the left. Navigate into your GIS class, MGIS Data folder. Click on the Oregon folder to highlight it, don't go inside it, and choose OK. In the Catalog pane, make sure the Project tab is active. Expand the Folders entry to see Oregon Maps, the project folder, and Oregon, the folder just added. Expand the Oregon folder to see 2 GIA databases and 2 Excel files. Click Insert, Project, New Map. In Contents, click the map name, Map, twice slowly, and rename it Geography. Save the project, and remember to save periodically. Click the Map, Layer, Add Data button. Click on the Folders entry on the left side of the window to show the project folder connections. Double-click the Oregon folder to open it. Double-click the Oregon Data GIA database to open it. Hold the Control key down while selecting first the counties and then the volcanoes, so that both are selected. Click OK to add them to the map. In the Catalog pane, expand the Oregon Data GIA database and expand the Transportation container. Hold the Control key to select both the airports and the highways feature classes. Then click and drag them into the map. Add the Rivers dataset from the Water container. In Contents, double-click the Geography map icon to open the map properties. Examine the extent settings. Fill the button to use a custom extent and set the drop-down to calculate it from counties. Click OK. In Contents, click on the airport's symbol. It opens to the Format Point Symbol pane. Click the Gallery tab and examine the symbols to select from. Type Airplane into the search box and click Enter. Change the drop-down box for Project Styles to All Styles to see more symbols. Choose the largest airport symbol from the ArcGIS 2D style. Click the Properties heading and select the icon for the symbol panel. Set the size to 20 point and angle to -45 degrees. Click Apply. In the Format Point Symbol panel, hover over the color swatch to view the RGB combination values for the gray color, R88, G89, B91. In Contents, right-click on the symbol for counties and choose Color Properties. In the Color Editor, click in the multicolor box on the right to select a color. Examine the red, green, blue DN values. Choose several more colors and examine the values. Set the red, green, blue values each to 255. What color results? Now let's examine the Hsv Color Model. In the Color Editor, change the color model from RGB to Hsv. Use the sliders to vary the hue, saturation, and value of the current color to understand how these vectors impact the color produced. Click Cancel. In Contents, right-click the line symbol for rivers and change the color to deep blue. Right-click on the symbol for counties and change the color to light yellow. In the Symbology pane, click the symbol representation to open the Format Polygon symbol pane. Click the Properties heading and change the outline color to gray 50%. Hover over a color to see its name. Click Apply. In Contents, select the Rivers layer and open the Feature Layer Appearance ribbon. In the Visibility Range group, click the Out Beyond drop-down and select 1 to 1 million from the list, or if there is no list, type 1 million in the box and click Enter. Zoom in until the rivers appear. Then click the Map Navigate Full Extent button. In Contents, select the Airports layer and open the Feature Layer Labeling ribbon. Click the Label button in the Layer group to turn on the default labels. In the Label Class group, verify that the field is set to Name. In the Text Symbol group, click the Text Symbol Style drop-down to view a collection of preset styles, but do not select any. In the Text Symbol group, set the font to Arial, 9-point, bold. In the Label Placement group, click the Label Placement Style drop-down and set it to the Basic Point option. Click the Feature Layer Labeling Text Symbol Group Options arrow. In the Label Class pane, on the Symbol tab, expand the Halo entry. Click the Halo symbol drop-down and choose White Fill 50% Transparency, third from left. Increase the halo size to 2 point. Click Apply. Take a moment to examine the other settings on the Symbol tab. Click the Feature Layer Labeling Label Class, Class 1 drop-down and select Create Label Class. Enter a new label class name of Busiest Airports and click OK. Click the SQL button next to the class box. In the Label Class pane, click Add Clause. Enter the expression TOTENP is greater than 300,000. Click Add. Click Apply. Click the Feature Layer Labeling Label class, class, create label class. Name the class Less Busy Airports. In the Label Class pane, click the Class drop-down to see or assign which class is currently being modified. It should read Less Busy Airports. Click Add Clause and enter the expression TOTENP is less than or equal to 300,000. Click Apply. Leave the Label Class pane open. We will use it again shortly.